Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Tucked away in the serene community of Heritage in Davistown is the spacious four-bedroom, two-bathroom house with ample yard space for further construction or for gardening purposes. The land area of this house is 11,162 square feet, and all major amenities are already in place. These include water, light, and road paved. Located less than 30 minutes from the resort town of Ocho-Rios. Some other features of this house includes ceramic tile, water tank, main level entry, family oriented, seniors oriented, acreage, road paved, level lot, and pets are allowed. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 18.5 million or US $120,000. To purchase or make an offer on this house, please visit the description area below. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.